you're interested in minimalism, simplifying and healthy living, then stick around. So I'm going to be talking about essentials for me that I just cannot live without, that I love. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is my mugs. You guys know I love my mugs. If you've watched some of my other videos, this is my Grey's Anatomy mug. It says pick me, choose me, love me. Gotta love it. But anyway, all of my mugs are my favorite. I use them every single day to have tea. I would miss them if I did not have them. The other thing that is a must for me, item number 2, is storage containers. So I have this Pyrex one as well as a square anchor one with a nicer lid. I actually do prefer these. I just got this one and it just works out great because the lid is a little bit heavier. And yes, I do keep the lids on my storage containers in my cupboard. I find that it helps. I don't lose all of the lids, and also I'm less likely to like buy so many of these and get carried away. I don't need that many, you know, I just need what works for me. The next item that is my favorite is, of course, my water bottle. So very important to my health is staying hydrated, and this is how I do that. I do have a few water bottles, but this is one of my favorites. It keeps my water nice and cold. So if I'm not having like tea or anything, I'm just having cold water, this one works great. It holds 32 ounces and it's actually the Clean Canteen brand. This is not sponsored, but I do actually love their water bottles. So, and I'm not a huge straw person, so I actually like that it has the bigger thing. I can fit ice cubes in there and I can also drink more water at once. So yes, the water bottle is a must. It keeps me hydrated and keeps me healthy. Right, and then I have my little paring knife. This is the Pampered Chef one. I just love it. It's super great for cutting vegetables, fruit, pretty much anything other big items like big pieces of meat, but it works great for the little stuff. So I just love this little paring knife through Pampered Chef. It serves me well when I'm cooking things. And then I have my Corelle bowls. They're white with a little kind of gray rim there. I just love these. I can't even really describe them. They're just so easy to wash and dry, and they're a great size. They're so easy to wash and dry, and they're a great size for me. I don't have a dishwasher at my apartment, so I have to hand wash everything, and I just love that these are the perfect size for soup, salad, pretty much anything I need. It's not too big and it's not too small, so I just love these, and they've been a favorite of mine for a long time. And then Pampered Chef making a comeback again as another favorite. I have 2 spatulas, a big one and a small one, that are both Pampered Chef. I do a lot of baking and things like that, whether it's cupcakes, cake, bars, brownies, cookies. Work really well for mixing up frosting or mixing up cookies or whatever I need to mix up. And these are a must for me. I love them and I use them a lot. They're really sturdy. They're not like the flimsy ones, like they're the hefty Pampered Chef ones. So I do really enjoy these and they bring me a lot of value. And then of course, my wooden spoons. You guys have probably already seen the multiples video. I do have 2 of them. They are slightly different. This one's a little deeper than this one here, but basically I use them to mix up anything on the stove and they're a favorite of mine. Then I have, of course, my Brita filter. You know, I like to drink clean water, and this ensures that I'm drinking clean water because it gets filtered and it filters out 99% of the chemicals and things in the water. So I just fill it up at my sink and it's good to go. It's all filtered here at the bottom right here. So yes, love this. It's a must. I've had it for years and I'm definitely not going to go back to just drinking regular tap water because this stuff is good. All right, and then last but not least, this item here. It's a rolling mat, but it rolls up. I'll actually show you guys. It rolls on my sink and I use it when I want to dry dishes. So let me just show you guys. If I don't want like my silverware to fall through it or something, I have a little mat that I will set over top and then I can dry my dishes here. As you can see, I don't have a countertop space in my kitchen, so it works out really well for me to put my dishes in here, and then they're not like sitting in the sink either. I'm more likely to put them away. Those are the 9 items that bring me great value in my kitchen. Obviously, I do have other items that I use regularly and that bring me a lot of value, but those are the 9 that stand out to me that I've just been continuously using on a daily basis. So comment down below if you guys have any like kitchen favorites or kitchen staples that you use every single day that bring you a lot of joy and value. Next time, it's a beautiful day to simplify. Bye, y'all.